Hi everyone, my name is Andrea. I'm a Prairie Gardens Jeffrey Allen's tree expert. As we're getting closer to the holiday, Christmas is actually next week, believe it or not. I just wanted to talk to you about repairing and maintaining your Christmas tree. So this is helpful too for Christmas lights that you're going to be putting on a live tree or your regular artificial tree. Believe it or not, the actual light sets can last 20, even 30 years if you're taking really great care of them. It's just the individual bulbs that will actually burn out. So you want to check your tree anytime you have an opportunity. Maybe you're sitting at dinner, just, admiring all of your really creative work. Just check and see, are there any spots that look like they're burning brighter? That's extra energy, which means there's a bulb burned out. So you want to check that anytime you have a chance. Just pull that bulb out, put a replacement in, and you'll be all good to go. It's very rare that you would have to replace an entire light strand. It's just going to be one burned out bulb, or maybe something's a little loose from all of the fluffing and decorating and all of those kinds all of those kinds of things. So as long as you're checking your tree, you shouldn't have any issues. Outside of that, storing your tree, we're getting close to the holiday, like I said, so we're going to be thinking about storing a lot sooner than you might imagine. The absolute last thing you want to do is take your tree and shove it back down in the original box. If you like to store it in the box, or maybe it's easier to move your tree around like that, put the biggest piece and the smallest piece in the box, and then your middle sections or other pieces, go ahead and put those in an extra bag, or another box is fine. Ideally, you would have a nice canvas or nylon storage bag that you can then store that either down or upright. And then you're not going to have to worry about pressing your tree down, getting all of those bulbs kind of mixed around, pulling any of those wires, or any of that weird stuff that when you take your tree up next year is going to cause some kind of weird things with your light. So always check over your lights anytime you have an opportunity, and never ever shove or smash or cram your tree anywhere. If you have any questions, you can always give us a call here. We're definitely available to help. Merry Christmas and enjoy all of your holidays.